Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to Tajweed of Qirat Quran Academy by Quran teacher Sumbal Mahmood. I hope are you all good brothers and sisters. Today we are learn the lesson number 7. Qaf Kaf Lam Noon. Firstly, so my viewers should subscribe our channel for more videos and updates. So let's start. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma Rabbi zidni ilma Rabbi zidni ilma. Our first word is the qa. Our first word is the qa. Qa. Qa with two doors is also called round qa and is real thick sound, means heavy sound, thickly sound. Qa. Example of practice with me. Qalama. Qa. Qa. Qalama. Qur'anun. Qur. Qur. Qur'anun. Al-Qari'atu. Al-Qari'atu. Okay, next word. Kaf. Kaf. Kaf's sound is very simple. Kaf. Practice with me. Kaf. Ka. Kaf. Example of ka. Ka. Karimin. Kitabun. Kabadin. Ka. Kabadin. Next word is lam. Qaf kaf lam. His sound is la. La. Example of lama. Lama. Adala. Adala. Fa'ala. Fa'ala. La ilaha. La ilaha. Allahu. Allahu. Very simple, very easy. Next word, noon. Meme, I have already complete the meme Makharaj and sound series with the ba. Noon. Noon sound is na. Na. Example of na'ama. Na'ama. Amana. 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 Nasirin. Nasirin. Na'budu. Na'budu. na. Noon sound is na, na. So we have completed today our sabak, inshallah. So see you in the next lesson. Keep praying. ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. Our viewers, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.